Let's unload this truck.
Yeah.
Turn the PTO, turn it all on. You know how to do it. Show Mama.
PTO.
Okay, that's the PTO. Now lower the truck. See the air pressure going down?
Yep.
I mean, it's working. All right, where's our keys at?
Here.
All right, let's go unload it. Come here, I got you. It's working. Yeah, that's it. Go to the arrow. Next. All right. Back to the first. Okay. That's good. Now do the wing. Stop for a second. All right. See the wing yet? Hold on there. Hold on. Come on, Daddy, quick. Now here. All right, go back.
Want to turn it off?
Go off. Show Mama. Show her how to do it. Okay? Now raise the truck up. Watch the air pressure go up. Let her see it. See?
See.
See the air pressure going up? Okay. Show Mama how. Show her.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. I appreciate it. You helped Daddy. You got too far. There you go. That's it. Thank you.
Good job.
You did a good job. Backed it off pretty good.
Yeah.
You did a good job.